Soaps and Detergents Limited is a company, public sector unit started during Mysore Maharaja, Nalvadi Krishnaraj Wadiyar and Sir M. Vishwashraya 100 years ago. It was and it's the pride of Karnataka. In between, the company had got a very bad name with scandal hit and many wrongdoings happening over there. Chairman was arrested, was behind bars, and after I taking over as the Minister for Industries, I brought in one officer, Mr. Prashant, who was posted to Belgaum as a district forest officer. I brought him as a honest officer, and we streamlined everything. Earlier it was production was not being done all three shifts. We converted without adding up any equipments or additional labors. We had three rounds of productions line, three shifts, and increased the production to 40%, that is 110% efficiency with existing machinery and with existing stuff. So, and we plugged all the loopholes of malpractices, everything streamlined, and we started building up the branch. And the turnover, which was 22-23, was 1,375. 23-23 we take it to 1,571, and 24-25 we have taken to whopping 1,788 crores, and the net profit, which was around 182 crores in 22-23, and we took it to 362 crores, double in 22-23, and now this year 24-25 we have taken 415 crores. We have a prolonged strategy to take up the total sales to 5,000 crores. 5,000 crores, and we are having one more factory also in Vijaypur, going to start up one more factory, and we have engaged an officer from retired officer from Unilever or Hindustan Liver? Hindustan Liver, one Rajnikant, who has worked for 18 years, who has been advising us. We have added up around 23 projects now. We have created international brand also. Tomorrow will go to, in international airport as well as in the world, the entire world. We are going to sell this with a new international package suitable to the international market, so that we reach the Western world as well as the Gulf.